Hey guys, Gameplay here, and today we will be unboxing the Logitech G213 Prodigy RGB keyboard. So on the front we have this nice glossy picture of the actual keyboard itself, and on the back we have just a few specifications, for example 2 millisecond response time, 16.8 million colors, waterproofing, and various media controls. So let's just go ahead and open it. So once the box is actually open itself, we can see the keyboard in a little plastic bag, and just above that there's a folded piece of card with cables inside it. That's a USB. So if we just take the keyboard out itself, there's not much else in the box other than a few quick start guides and safety guides. So let's go ahead and take this plastic wrapping off. So as you can see, the USB cable is held together by a little cable tie, and on the cable itself it's actually braided, which is a very good feature and hopefully should extend the life of the product. On the actual USB we have a small Logitech G series logo. So as you can see, on the bottom of the keyboard there's a nice palm resting area that will be especially useful if you're using the keyboard for long amounts of time. On the top we have a light toggle switch where you can turn the light on and off. We have a volume rocker and a mute switch. Just below that we have the various media controls. On the back you can see there's a nice decorative finish and a rubber band which stops the keyboard from sliding. On the back of it we can see a few stands which once again make it easier to use. So as you can see, the keys press really well. This is due to it being a membrane keyboard, not mechanical, but really that's down to personal preference. So what you can see here is the backlighting cycling through the 16.8 million colors. And one of the main reasons I bought this keyboard was that the light actually shines through the keys. It didn't actually do that on my last keyboard, so I had to have the light on all of the time, whereas with this one it would be very easy to use at night. So along the top you can see there's a light toggle switch which turns the keyboard light on and off. That would be especially useful if you were, say, watching a movie and you don't want your keyboard light distracting you. That's another thing that my old keyboard didn't do. There's also a gaming mode which disables the Windows keys. The reason you want that is to avoid accidentally tabbing out in the middle of an intensive game. So that's just about it for my unboxing of the Logitech G213 RGB gaming keyboard. See you in the next video. Goodbye.